I will tell you. Just you can see here EMA in the setting. I put 50 in length, okay, and here in style I put the red color, and the I increase the thickness of EMA, okay. Now in the chart you have to know most of the things are very easy to understand. So you need to know EMA is not only the line, it is a kind of support or the resistance in the market, okay, for the price. As we know, EMA is a lagging indicator. Although it is lagging, we can take this indicator to find the perfect location for our trade entry. For example, if you look here, here you can see the resistance in this 50 EMA. Yeah, market is taking the resistance in 50 EMA and the market dump. And here also the same example. Here is also the same thing happening. Okay, that means it behave like a resistance also and like a support also. Here if you see, you can see the support in EMA. Yeah, so don't take the EMA in a solitary way, okay. You have to add some other price action also to take the trade with EMA. For example, okay, let me show you. If we see the chart, this was the previous resistance, yeah, and when the market breaks below the resistance, previous resistance became support, and when the support is break down here, then after the market goes up and take the same location, that means the market comes in the same place where EMA and the our resistance line you know come together. That means this kind of situation should happen in the market. This is the a little bit advanced way of studying the chart according to the price action also, okay. So this kind of condition is very important. When such kind of trade you get, then you will get the high accuracy in the trade, okay. Here let me brief you little bit more, okay. Let me this was the resistance here. Previously resistance break, it became support now, yeah. And when the support break, then the market comes to this area of value. This point I used to tell area of value, okay, area of value. That means we have the resistance line also, resistance zone also, and the 50 EMA also. They are coming together at the point. That means we have the high chance of bearish signal. Yeah, that means market will dump in high accuracy. Okay, that means your trade will be of high accuracy. So such kind of thing you need to understand. Okay, now let us see the other chart also. Okay, now where the market take another resist in the 50 MA in this area. Yeah, if you see here, what is this? This is the previous support change to the resistance here. This was the previous support here, and it changed into the resistance in this level, and here the 50 EMA also coming together. That is the important thing you need to know. Okay, what are the two things here? One is our support became resistance, and the 50 EMA is also here in this zone. That means when we get this red candle, we can go for the short entry. Okay, and here also market take the support here, sorry, resistance in the 50 EMA. If you draw here also, you will find the same thing, yeah, happening. If you see here, this was the previous support. Now when it breaks, it turn into the resistance, and when we get this red candle here, then we can short the market. Okay, this is the gold chart. Okay, now let me close all these things and let me delete our drawing. Okay, now let us see here. Let us see. Okay, guys, now look here. How to use. The main important thing is the use case. You will draw this level here. Here, why this level is important? That thing you need to understand, because this is the resistance, and here if you see, this is the support also. That means this level is very important. This zone is very important, yeah, for the market. And when the market goes up in this way, breaks the resistance and comes back, you need to wait till this level, because this is the important level, yeah. So sometimes the market bounce from 50 EMA also, but usually what happen is we have to mix the things coming together, EMA and our price action. You have to mix these two things in a setup, okay, so that your trade accuracy will be high. If you see here, when the market comes here, it makes the double bottom and goes up, yeah. That means, let me, okay, let me, okay, if you see here in the chart, you will see a double bottom here and market goes up, yeah. That means this 50 EMA act as a support also, okay, and we get the confirmation with our price action. This is supply area, yeah. This is the, we draw this line according to the price action, and 50 EMA helps us the, finding the trend of the market. That means when this candle breaks above the 50 EMA, then with the stop loss you can go for the long entry also, yeah. And if you were waiting more, you can have a double bottom here, yeah. Then after this candle, proper candle, then you can go for the long entry. That means 50 EMA is useful not only, to take the trades, it shows us the direction also, but you should combine this 50 EMA with the price action. Now let's see here, okay. Now if you see here in the chart, this is the which level? Resistance. This is the resistance, yeah. I think you all guys know this is the resistance, and here on to support, and here is also a good candle here, and we get the stop loss, yeah. I think most of the people are buying with the help of 50 EMA. You get the stop loss, yeah. Then after, what happened? When the market goes down, then again comes from for the retest in the 50 EMA and our zone. Again it fall, yeah. And at this time, if you look properly, it do not break this level, yeah, this zone, and we have the rejection candle here too, yeah. and this is the proper way for the short entry. Here is also you can see the resistance in the 50 EMA and the our zone. Okay, this is our zone, and this 50 EMA also gives the resistance in the market and the zone also. Then if you short here, you will get the big profit. Okay, that means 50 EMA you should use as a support and resistance in the market with the combination of price action. Okay, let me. Okay, now let's go. Here you can see another, yeah, another support in the 50 EMA. Yeah, here is also support in 50 EMA. For this, you need to draw. Okay, and I tell my traders friend and the my students that you have to use the previous support and resistance. They are very useful. Okay, don't look the 1 year 2 year backwards chart while trading in daily time frame. You have to look the previous. They are very important. Okay, so here this is the previous, sorry, previous resistance. Yeah, this is the previous resistance, and when the market breaks above the resistance and the 50 EMA, the market comes in this level for the retest. Look, everything is coming together. Your EMA plus your zone. Yeah, we are combining the we have that kind of setup where indicator plus price action, both are coming together. That means this is the high probability setup to trade in the market. Yeah, so at this time, by looking the candlestick, you can take the trade. Okay, now here is also another pullback in the EMA, but here I don't see proper support in this level, so I don't take this trade. Now this level is important for me. Yeah, because this is the first high after the break of EMA. Yeah, first high. So this is important level for me. Okay, so if you see here, whenever the market comes in this zone and the 50 EMA, you can go for the long trade with the proper risk reward and money management. Okay, if you see here also, market comes here and start to move up with the green candle, then at that time if you have entered, you can capture this big move in the short term also. So you have to combine this EMA and your price action together. This is called the area of value. This is the area of value. Okay, now let's see more. Look here, we don't have trade because we don't see any pullback in 50 EMA. Okay, now look here, this is the support. Yeah, this is the previous support, then market goes up, then again comes here in this level. Yeah, so and here is 50 EMA also coming together. That means at this zone we have area of value. So in this level you should be thinking of long trade. Okay, you have to look the chart, you have to look the price action, you have to look your setup in this area. That means if you are trading in intraday, then you have to go for the 5 minute 15-minute chart. Yeah, in this zone, and you should be watching for the change of structure, or you can go with your own setup, whatever you use for trading. Okay, so if you see here also, market comes for the support in 50 MA here also. This is also the buy trade here. Sorry. Now here we don't have trade. We don't have trade. Now here if you see the chart, moving average is rising. Yeah. And you have to, draw what I have told you. Sorry. In this way. Okay. You have to draw in this way. This is a, a kind of fake out. Yeah. But the, when this happen, then you have to draw in this way, because you touch this level also and this level also. Okay. Or you can draw in this way also, or a little bit bigger also, no matter. Okay. This level. You can draw in this way. Are you getting me? But this is not the exact chart what we are looking for. But you can, look in this way also. This is the area of value. Okay. This is the area of value. And when the market comes here, it bounce. You see here, it bounce. Again comes here, it bounce. Again comes, it bounce, but it go straight to the upside. Yeah. That means this is the area where you have to think for the long trade. Okay. If you are looking for a, like a picture perfect setup like this, like here, like here, then this kind of setup happen in few of the market. Yeah. But in most of the market, such kind of thing happen. You will see the, break of 50 MA, then again bounce, again break. That means at that time you should be, curious to draw the support resistance level in those area. Okay. Let's see the Nasdaq chart. Okay, this is the daily chart of Nasdaq. Let me delete all drawing. Okay. Okay, let me check from here. Okay. If you see here the market takes the support. For this, what I have told you, just draw your resistance level, because this is the previous resistance. Yeah. This is your previous resistance. Now, when the market breaks, we are looking for the support in this resistance. And when the market comes here is 50 EMA also lining together. Yeah. That means this is the best place to buy Nasdaq at this time. And you have to look the candlestick rejection in this level. Yeah. How the price react. Then after, when you get the picture perfect green candle, then you can go for the long trade, so that you can capture the big move like this. Okay, guys. Now let's see the chart. Here in the chart, you can see this is the this is all the things whatever I am telling you here is my experience. Okay, I use the chart like this way. This is the support here. Here, this is the support. Yeah, everyone know. Now, if you look here, when the market goes up, it come here and bounce. If you are intraday trader, you can have a trade here. Okay, and when For swing trader also you can trade here, but your stop loss may hit here in this trade here, and again when it comes here it again go up, yeah. And finally here is a kind of pattern forming, yeah. You need to know this also. Now when it comes down and it bounce again, comes down and again bounce, that means it is not making the higher high, yeah. It is not making the higher high, so you need to know market is not moving, yeah. So you have to wait the crossing of this trend line, yeah. And you have to look for the 50 MA also coming together. So when the market cross this level, yeah, here you may have one stop loss, two stop loss, no matter. Stop loss are the part and partial of the game, okay. Then after, what you have to look for, you have to draw one label here, one label here, one label here, in this way, okay. You have lots of label, but your 50 MA also should come in the label. For example, here the market comes in the level, but 50 MA is little bit far. You can take the trade, yeah, at your own risk reward, yeah, with your money management. But such kind of trade I do not to tell you to take according to the setup, okay. We need the picture perfect trade, okay. For example, here is a kind of perfect support, yeah. Here while taking this trade, let me fix this, okay. Here if you look properly, this is the previous resistance, yeah, turn to support, okay. I told you don't look, don't look for the more support and resistance by looking the chart of 1 year, 2 year, 5 years ago. Take the previous support and resistance, they are more active, okay. So if you see here, this is the previous resistance and now it's time to turn to the support in this level, yeah, in this zone. And here you can see the price and the EMA, price, EMA and zone, they all are coming together here, so you can go for the long trade, okay. Now let's see if you see here in this chart, after this dip in the market, yeah, the market goes up in this way. That means here also when the market cross this 50 MA by making a kind of pattern, then you can go for the long trade also. But I don't recommend this to you, because in the beginning phase you do not need to take such trade like this. You have to take, okay. For example, here you have this zone, yeah, perfect zone. Then this is the A class trade. If you see here, this is the previous resistance, turn to support, beautiful candle. Then after another candle you can go for the long, okay. EMA, our zone, yeah, and the candlestick, everything is suggesting you to take the long trade. This is the important thing. That means you have to wait this rally. You need to stay passive, okay. You need to stay passive in this rally and waiting for this move. The professional trader do this, okay. They don't jump in the market wherever they feel emotionally. Professional trader makes the game plan, then they follow the game plan. If you see here are lots of trade, yeah, crossing above, below, yeah, of 50 MA. But this is the important level, yeah. This is the previous resistance. When the market breaks, it on to support. Now we are searching for the EMA, EMA, and this zone coming together. Where is that happen? That thing happen here. Yeah. Are you getting me, guys? Then here in this label, you can see the support of EMA, support of our zone, yeah, and a beautiful candle, yeah, forming here. Then you can go for the long trade. Okay. So this is the very important things you need to understand, that you have to wait for the price action. You have to see the EMA, 50 EMA. Okay. When these two things tell you the same thing, okay, when these two things tells you the same things, then you should go for either long or short. Okay. Let me show you in example the final. Okay, that means support, for example, this is a level, okay, and your EMA is rising in this way, yeah, and the market is moving in this way. Then when the market comes into this zone, that means here is EMA, your support, yeah, everything coming together here. Then you have to look for the long trade at this time. Okay, that means when your EMA is in the uptrend, yeah, is rising, and when the market comes in the 50 MA and your previous resistance is giving the support in that zone at that time, okay, in the zone, then at that time you have to wait, you have to look for the long trade. Okay, then for the short trade, this is the zone. Okay, let me this is the EMA, this is the zone. Okay, and let me draw the chart. Okay, these things need to happen. That means in the chart, if you see the market is coming here, okay, coming here in our zone, that means it was the previous support on to resistance here, yeah, and when the market comes here and the 50 MA is also in the same place, yeah, that means everything coming together for the short entry. That means at this time you have to look for the short trade. Okay, short trade. Okay, and this is the very beautiful setup I personally use in swing trading especially, and in intraday also I use lots of time. So this is my base setup. Okay, if you use 50 MA with 50 EMA plus price action, then it works properly, and according to my trading journal, this setup gives me around 70% accuracy. Okay, around 70% accuracy, and you can go for 1:2 and 1:3 risk reward. Okay, I usually go for 1:3. Okay, for me, in each and every trade, I go for 1:3. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Hope you understand this video. If you have any inquiry, then you can put your comment in the video. Okay, then like, share, and subscribe my channel. Then we will be making the next video for you on the another topic. Okay, then till that time, have a good trading. Be disciplined, guys. Discipline is the important things to be the profitable trader. And take your time. Enjoy the day. Thank you so much.